Hello, I'm back. In our last video, we showed you how to create a character by manually entering data. This time, we are gonna show you how to create a character using the content from material already out in Roll20. At the current stage, we don't have a character master. This is on our roadmap, but you can still already make use of the content you own. So we kind of created a soldier uh, for John Doe manually, and now we are gonna make John Doe into a wizard. So what we are gonna do is that we head to Compendium here. We're gonna search for wizard, and you have wizard here 2024. Actually, let's make John Doe into a fighter, so we get a similar experience. uh, so fighter, and I will choose class, and then I get fighter 2024. You can drag both 24 and 2014 stuff there on, but let's drag this one. So as you can see, John Doe becomes a fighter level 1. Once I drag it, I got a couple of things like my hit dice 1d10. I get a resource for my second wing as well, and I got a couple of features already added to my character sheet. Uh, and again, I can just come here, switch my strength to 18, like I did for my other character, kind of just fill the missing bits. Uh, and also, as you see, there is like proficiency is set to red, and that means like there is a something to be configured without this feature. So just open it, and as you can see, it's prompting me to get proficiency from my fighter feature, and I'll just pick history, and it sets history proficiency, and I will do perhaps athletics, and you can see I get my two features there. And I will do, let's see my ancestry, perhaps let's go with elf, which was the one we were using on our previous video. So again, I'll choose uh, race, and I'll look for, well, if we don't see elf here, perhaps it's called something else. So let's just look at perhaps the species, that's how it's been determined. So we see here elf 2024. I'm just gonna drag them, and as you can see, my ancestry was set 12. I got the dark vision, the trait, the feature, but also get dark vision on my sense. I have all my elf related features, and as you can see, the king sense is also prompting me to pick something, and it's pretty much a skill like perception, insight, or survival, and I'm gonna pick perception. uh, and then I pretty much have my character by now, right? I can come around, uh, pick an alignment and a couple of other things as well. I could perhaps add the great sword to my character, so I have something to fight with. So let's drag a great sword here, and let's equip it, and I get a great sword here. In my actions, I have an attack, and I have a damage there. uh, and by now your character is almost done, right? And it's also very easy to level up this character, add another class, you just repeat it, the process. If you want to level up, you go here, class and levels. As you can see, I have a fighter here, like I can't do anything with the subclass, it says like it unlocks at level 3. And I can also just come here and say, oh, uh, let's increase my fighter level to 5. It unlocks the subclass. I could even add the spellcasting like to my fighter if I wanted to. We kind of support homebrewing on top of content stuff, so I just hit level 5, save, and man, my characters level up. All the things have been calculated, hit point has been increased, second wind resource have been increased, my hit dice. I got a couple of extra features here like fire extra attack, uh, everything that comes from leveling up, both in my from my ancestry, but also from my class. So even without character master at the current stage, it is already very easy to create a character using our OGL character cheat. I see you in the next video.